Hey guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada, here today with my friend Paul from Monroe.
Hey guys, how's it going?
And what are we here to talk about today, Paul?
We're going to talk about rear shock mounts on vehicles.
Shock mounts. That's shocking.
So the shock needs to be bolted in the vehicle on most applications. There are some different designs. This is a very common design where the shock actually comes up through this mount, and then these two tabs here bolt inside the inner fender, and that's what holds the shock onto the vehicle, and then it's mounted to the lower part of the vehicle with a bushing.
Okay, very interesting. And how does this affect people? Why are we talking about this in a video?
So this is a very common problem that we see on today's vehicles. With the wonderful Canadian winters we have, you'll see components that look like this.
That's the same component?
This is the same component. This is from a 2007, so it's 12 years old, but it's seen better days.
Sure.
Over time, the aluminum breaks down as they're trying to save weight on the vehicles, and these tabs actually break off, and you'll hear a loud banging coming from the rear of the vehicle because nothing is holding the shock on the top. Right.
So the actual shock can move around, causing the banging.
Yeah, it moves around side to side and also up and down. Typically the weight of the vehicle will keep it lodged up in there, but eventually it could come out as well. You'll definitely notice a loud banging noise if that does happen to you, and it does happen on a lot of vehicles.
A lot of vehicles, because this is, you were telling me, the #1 selling component?
This is the current #1 mount that we sell as a replacement. It's just a different design from the OE manufacturer that it's just prone to failure that we see.
Terrific. And have you improved your component over the original equipment?
We do make a few changes in the manufacturing process. We have to follow the same design.
Of course,
so it fits in the
it has to fit, yes.
But we do product testing on all of our products. They are made, we do have testing facilities in the United States. We do some manufacturing of different components in Canada and the US as well. But quality is our #1 concern. We've been manufacturing for over 100 years.
Fantastic. Paul, I want to thank you very much for taking the time today to explain about shock mounts and taking the time to help address the issue with our customers. So there you have it, folks. You can come out to Urban Automotive as part of our Peace of Mind service. We will check your shock mounts to make sure that they are not disintegrating and they are not going to cause this banging problem that we've been talking about in the video today. So by all means, please subscribe below. Watch our videos. These are meant to be entertaining and educational. And if you'd like to see a video in particular, by all means, contact us directly, and we'd be happy to try to give you some videos that you want to see. Thanks for watching.